This is going to be a reverse dye. This is 100% cotton, since it will be over dyed with Procion dyes. I've already marked, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, that and that, so that I know my center line. I'll go ahead and start folding this. And this is completely dry since we're doing the Out White Bright to do the color removal. I'm going to start by doing an accordion up the length of this. I should be able to just eyeball it. This shouldn't be that difficult. I'm doing, let's see, what is that? About 1.5 inches or so. And I'll just work my way up. Line this back up here. Alright, and I'm going to put a couple of rubber bands. Alright, so I'm going to mark 1 inch in from this. Go ahead and wrap that with sinew. I'm going to come up here. I need to do as close to this edge as I can. Without it slipping off. So basically I'm going to do it as tight as I can. Hey, there we go. Right, and I'm going to cross back over, corner to corner, pull that, come up to the top, come back around, and with any luck when I pull this, it won't slip down. So this is at 1 inch, and the rest will be 2 inches apart, since this is the center line and it's actually 2 inches when it's opened up. So I will go ahead and space these off 2 inches. Oh, and this is Taylor's chalk. I'll put a link in the description for you to be able to get some. Alright. Now when I get to here, I have to do something. I can't just leave this. I'm hoping this is close to 2 inches. Ooh, technically it's right there, but I'm actually going to cheat. And we'll catch it right on this edge. Right. And then we'll go ahead and scrunch this real quick. There we have it. Off to undye. Alright, this is being reverse dyed with Out White Bright. So I'll just sprinkle it on and then pour boiling water and it'll do the rest. Alright, it's been enough time to where I can hold it. Let's go ahead and rinse this out. Alright, quick look at this. I'll go through this in the wash. Alright, so this is what we're left with. Go ahead and flip this. It's already been marked. for the center line, if you can see it. And it is inside out since it's being ice dyed. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this. Do the usual symmetrical fold, and then we'll go from there. Alright, I'm just going to fold it up at an angle on this accordion. I've got it marked at about 3 inches here, so it's a 3-inch angle, and that'll put it about 1.5 inches for each of the folds. Alright, going to mark off where the sinew goes, and I'm going to mark right about 1.5 inches right here, and then we'll go 3 inches after that. Alright, that's what we're left with. Off to dye. Alright, for this I'll be using deep purple, Chinese red, lemon yellow, bluebird, and forest green, and these are all from Dharma. Alright, we'll let that sit and melt through, and then we'll take a look. Alright, it's melted through. Go ahead and add another layer of ice. Alright, we'll let that melt through. Alright, it has been 24 hours, so let's go ahead and wash this out. Alright, here's a quick look, and we'll go throw it in the wash and take a final look. Alright, here's the front, and the back. Looks like it's off center a little right here. Alrighty, so my yellows didn't come through as strong as I had hoped for, but it's still pretty good result. Overall, I think it's a cool design, different kind of concept, and it's kind of, I don't know, interesting to look at because it's not what you expect it to be, where the black areas are versus the color areas. It's kind of skewed. So it's definitely a different type of look. So what are your thoughts on this and the reverse process in general? Is there something you'd like to see? Let me know down below. And until next time, thanks for watching.